National People's Party NPP kala Thung yoba Prestone Tinsong President America NPP-Meghalaya Rin Bujing in akam President Darin Dr. W.R. Kharlik Katkum ka jingpin bana National President ka party kat mitri rang ba kajala kondat ke sangma ula Thung yoba Prestone Tinsong kum President bathamai ke NPP-Meghalaya katkum ka menteri kam ke NPP Ukonrad ula pentip ru badakani ka jing Thung kum state president la pelat no yoba Prestone na ka jing bat kam ha National Committee Laban kedua bawa Prestone ubat kumu sembut menteri rang ba kejela udairu babat kumu National Vice President ke NPP.
I also would like to join the other leaders who have expressed their joy and happiness on the appointment of Prestone Tinsong. I would only like to add that I have worked with him in many situations and from very difficult positions and a large number of challenges we have faced together, and we have grown together as friends, understanding each other's concerns, problems, and working as a team. And so I'm very happy today that he has accepted this responsibility, because I know his capacity and I know the kind of work that he's capable of doing, and I'm sure that that he will be taking from where Dr. Khaluki has now left. He will take forward the mission of the party, and I'm sure that with the kind of grassroots work that he has done for the last many years, whether organizationally or from governance point of view, all of this will come into great work and help to be able to really organize the party, as he has mentioned, and I have full faith that he will be able to do justice. And I only seek the support, as he had mentioned, of all the party leaders. You all know that the demand or the request for Prestone to take over as president has come from all of you. So it is not that I have selected, it is a democratic process. It's just that the election did not take place, but all the votes actually came and everybody sent the information and the request. So it was literally a democratic process, all the way from Garo Hills to Jente Hills to West Khasi Hills to East Khasi Hills, Riboy. In all areas, there was a consensus, and that clearly reflects the kind of acceptance and the kind of faith that people have in the leadership of Prestone Tinsong. So I also join all of you. I'm sure all of us must be wanting to congratulate, but I, on behalf of all the party leaders, congratulate Prestone Tinsong. And as he said, there's a lot of work to be done, but I'm sure that he will be able to take up the challenge to take the party forward from this point.
พี่kajing tray jung ni nang ni sebab kesulong bet kumu bang pi ngi kwa ban ri chau shadu kawe pakwe kalung yeng la pi ong hasor le ni hanok ndong la da pi ong ha district is castles te ha ki we kui ba ki district te ka intention jong ni na ka party kalong bang ngidum tia benang dem kham tam mental ajan sa election ngit tray shitom batru ngangets cap bahaka committee ka thamai la pi ong ha state level ha district level la ni what ha ki block level nginam thia nginam den bat tray shitom na ka manda ka jikio jong ka party jong ni ka party